Okay, hi everybody, it's me, Sans Makeup. So excuse the state of me, I've just curled my hair. I'm going to do a bit of a different video. Now, in my last video I mentioned I'd been suffering with perioral dermatitis. I don't know what caused mine. I have a feeling, I'm just sitting at my my beauty little, my desk at home. This is where I sit and do my makeup every day, and I think this Revolution Pro foundation might be the thing that caused my dermatitis. I'm not too sure. I'm just shut the window. Anyway, I've managed to almost clear it up. If you look here, I've got bits of redness, but this was fierce the other day. I should have filmed it before and after, but I just didn't think I was going to do this video at all. So I'm just going to run you through what I have done over the last 48 hours to clear this up. So I'd been on YouTube to search for videos. The first thing that I found worked was this, apple cider vinegar. It stings badly, but it does work to dry out those horrible pustules that you get. So that was one of the first things. And also I drink this in some water about twice a day, like a tablespoon of it in some water, and that just helps to keep the gut health, your gut health healthy. Another thing I've had is a really horrible cold, so my immunity is low. So I've been taking this. This is just a few things that might help other people. This is why I'm doing this video, so no shade. It's just to help others if you need it. So this is Metatone Tonic, which is full of B vitamins and minerals, and is used for after you've been poorly. My mum always used to give us this when we were kids, after like a bout of flu or a cold. So I've been taking that as well. And then the star of the show is this stuff. And this is, look, we're like a professional YouTuber. Weleda Calendula Nappy Cream. And this has got a high zinc oxide content. So zinc oxide is really, really good to dry out those pustules as well. So I've been putting this on over the last 48 hours. I bought this on Saturday, it's now Monday, and this is almost cleared up. So this was, how much did I pay for that? Maybe £7 or £8. I'm sure you can get this all over the world, so whoever's watching, hopefully you can pick up this, and if not, you can get it online, I would imagine. So it's Calendula Nappy Change Cream, and the ingredients are, from the top down, water, sweet almond oil. If you're allergic to almond oil, this is a no-go for you, but if you're not, then this could work. Sweet almond oil, and then zinc oxide, so it's high up there in the ingredients. Beeswax, if you're vegan, no-go for you, beeswax. Some people don't mind beeswax in products if they're vegan, some do, so it's up to you to make your own choice. Lanolin, again, you might not want to use that, but it's really, really, really good on the skin. So to get rid of this, I needed everything. So glyceryl linoleate, hectorite, and then calendula extract, chamomile extract. There is a bit of fragrance in there, and then there's several allergens. The allergens are limonene, linalool, benzyl benzoate, benzyl salicylate, geraniol, and farnesol. So if you're allergic to any of those allergens, you might not want to put this on your face, but I'm not. My allergens usually are in the form of eugenol and coumarin and things like that. So I'm just wanted to share. Calendula Nappy Cream is really, really good for this perioral dermatitis, along with those other products. So I will be putting on the apple cider vinegar, just slightly on a cotton wool pad, and just tap it over. Wait for it to stop stinging, and I've just been sticking this on. And then makeup wise, because I don't like to leave the house without any makeup, I'm going to show you what I've used. So for concealer, I haven't put anything on top like concealer wise, but concealer on my face, I've been using this one, which is called Life Proof Concealer by Sleek, and this is like almost like a dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. I love this stuff, so that was really good. And then for makeup, I use Bare Minerals, this one. And the shade that I'm in is Neutral Ivory. Hope that's coming up not backwards, I'm not sure, but Neutral Ivory. So I use that with the Bare Minerals brush, and I found that I can put that over the top of this problem without any issues. So yeah, mineral makeup I really like anyway, and there's nothing sort of, I think in liquid makeups they're more prone to have ingredients that might create problems on the skin due to having preservatives and things like that. But Bare Minerals is pure mineral makeup, and I love it. So, and it works and it covers up really well. So mine was like really, but I actually counted the amount of bumps I got, and I got 27 pustules here. This bit around my nose was just like a little dry patch, so that wasn't too bad. It was just here on my chin and on this side down my crease line there. They were the worst areas. I just wish I could show you before and after, but I can't. So I just wanted to share with you the things that I've used to clear this up, and hopefully it will help others. Okay, ta-ta.